Have you had your fingers burnt offshoring your IT operations, services or software development to countries outside the United Kingdom, believing that there would be resource efficiencies and other cost-saving benefits to be made? Well, the truth be known, outsourcing can be challenging at the best of times, with cultural differences, visa implications, misinterpretations and alignment to expectations, not to mention risk to your intellectual property and safeguarding of your data, which if it gets into the wrong hands, could cause severe reputational risk. On paper, globalization and the benefits of outsourcing are great, but in reality, there are hundreds of refinements which must be taken into consideration for it to work effectively. And that's where IT Vantage come into play. For the past decade, we've been a Tier 1 supplier to United Kingdom Border Agency in assisting highly skilled immigrants to work in the UK on a number of exciting enterprise projects. We employ UK-based IT consultants who are onshore to help deliver the success of your projects. They are, in essence, your account managers, project managers and business analysts who can work on-site or at our offices in London and can liaise with our very own development centre in India and assist your organisation in overcoming any cultural or communication barriers and ultimately drive through the success of your IT programme. With our onshore-offshore model, Risk Vantage allows you to have the best of both worlds. De-risk your outsourcing program and contact Risk Vantage today. Risk Vantage, your process, our solution.